Konnichiwa and hello everyone. My name is Adrienne Cully with Horizon International and I am here in the Horizon booth at the 2024 page event with Kaneda-san. Kaneda-san, can you introduce yourself please?
Thank you, Adrienne-san. Hello everyone. My name is Katsushi Kaneda from Horizon International. I'm in charge of Ultimate Products and iCE and sales support team. Thank you.
And Kaneda-san, how do you feel the 2024 page event has been going so far?
So page 2024, it's annual exhibition held in Tokyo, Japan. And this year, it has become a live event. The theme of page 2024 is a collaboration.
Amazing. And one of the things that we're featuring here at page 2024 is our iCE LiNK software. Can you just introduce us to iCE LiNK, please?
Yes. So we are software, iCE LiNK is a cloud-based software. So that address four challenges of our customers. First, visualization of production process. And second, post-press analysis and management. And third, workflow automation. Fourth, integration with pre-press software and the workflow solution. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And lastly, could you just give us a little bit of an overview of how we're using iCE LiNK and what is happening in our booth today?
Okay. So today's the demonstration, and please show a screen. So this time I will introduce the workflow zone at the Horizon booth. On page 2024, the concept revolves around an end-to-end workflow through the integration of Ultimate and iCE LiNK, both digital and offset printing process and include. So this exhibition workflow demonstration overview. So Ultimate generation information searchable for post-processing, enhancing the productivity of post-pressing machines, and transmission it to iCE LiNK. So in this demonstration, we will showcase the process of pre-cutting and saddle stitching printing sheets. So that have undergoing surface finishing and printing. So let's operation to the demonstration. This single file PDF A4 size total page of 32 pages. This file sent to the Ultimate Impostrip. So now Ultimate calculates automatically at the imposition. So this software is a template using at the autoflow is automatically getting imposition. Now finishing the imposition file, this file result imports the PDF files. So example, 4 up page sheets, and same time outputs the LiNK JDF file. LiNK JDF file is imposition information and briefs and trim size and total page, sometimes many information. And third file is banner sheet. So this Impostrip dynamic barcode function is automatically barcode and the QR code. This banner sheet is job name and job information. So many information this sheet. So second software is Ultimate Bindery, this software. So this show a finishing flow, this demonstration plan. So our finishing machine cutter is APC 60110 and break cut 4 up sheet and break cutting a 2 up sheet. And second machine, the STITCHLINER MARK IV. This machine is saddle stitching. And set up automatically change over info. So this window is a job manager. This rake limp JDF file sent to ultimate bindery. Now calculated our finishing machine normalizes the file. Third software, our software iCE change the language, English. So this Windows our existing 4 machines. So ultimate bindery sent the JDF file. iCE calculates finishing process, 2 process. One process pre-cutting, and second process and saddle stitch. This machine's job rests in the total 3 jobs. So I demonstrated I pick a balance sheet. So this balance sheet using a barcode, handy barcode type. So let's go to the STITCHLINER MARK IV. So this balance sheet and job ID information and the iCE. So connected this machine STITCHLINER MARK IV. I take a handy barcode QR code and this JDF job file and coming the setup data. So trim size, A4 sizes, stage and saddle stage information, the setup data automatically. Now finish.
Kaneda-san, thank you so much for joining me for this video.
Thank you very much.
And thank you all for watching at home. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video or about LiNK, you can always go to our website or get in touch with your local Horizon contact. Bye.
Bye. Thank you very much.
Thank you.